Hi class. So just to give an example, I have hand drawn here a wireframe for a website that will be transporting later to Photoshop. Okay, this is the desktop version, and you can see that I have some elements such as the logo. The lines represent text. I have some figures with an X inside. They represent figures or images. Okay, and this element here represents my button. And then I have the social media icons, the footer, and so on. Okay, so it gives me an idea of how to plan the design of my website. And then I created as well a mobile version of it. So the same elements are in both versions, but how you distribute them in the space that you will have is very different, because a mobile screen, you have more of a vertical space to explore rather than a horizontal space. So they will be piling up on top of each other, as you can see here. Okay, so this is one fundamental step to begin planning a website, and we will be transporting those to Photoshop.